Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on forgetting saved Wi-Fi networks on a Xiaomi phone. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. To forget the network you're currently connected to, start by opening the Settings app. In Settings, tap Wi-Fi, and then tap the arrow next to the network you're connected to. On the network info page, scroll down and select Forget Network. Tap OK to confirm it. Your phone will disconnect and you'll need to re-enter the password for that Wi-Fi to connect to it in the future. You can also forget previously joined networks by going back to the Wi-Fi page and then selecting Additional Settings from the bottom. From there, select Manage Saved Networks. Choose the saved Wi-Fi you want to remove, and then tap Forget Network on the pop-up. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Xiaomi and MIUI tips and tricks.